Just watch this video to the end and see what I made out of this armless gown I wore with this hair tie. Watch from the beginning to the end. I made different styles from it. Something you can just simply do at home, or you go for an occasion you want to change your style. Look at what you can do with just a hairstyle you are putting on. Very simple and unique. Watch this video to the end and learn how I made it. Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome again to my channel, Relationship and Talent Clinic with Laura. Remember, Relationship and Talent Clinic with Laura. Talent Clinic. You know, it's not always only relationship. So I've always done more of educating you on relationship issues. So there is talent as well on it. But wow, if this is your very first time of coming to my channel, subscribe. Something nice is going on here. Subscribe. Give my videos a thumb up. Please watch my video to at least a reasonable minute. Alright? Even if you can't watch every one of it to the end. Anyone that interests you, watch to the end. Otherwise, watch to a reasonable minute. Give my videos a thumb up, share my videos, and as well activate the notification bell. So that when I make wonderful uploads like what I'm gonna make now, you would like it. Alright, so today we're going to do something different. Okay, something very different. So how to look unique when you go for an occasion. Most of the times this is just like a response to some questions I do get. Alright. Yeah, I questions like, you do stand out your dressing. Yes, I like unique, looking unique. Standing out doesn't mean I am wearing the most expensive. It doesn't mean I am wearing the most designers. It doesn't mean I'm the best in the dressing. But what makes me the best is how unique it is. When you look around, everybody's wearing the same, and you can point out something different for this person's outfit. It is always Lala. Alright, so that's how I dress. Yeah, I don't always wear my clothes the way I buy from the market or the way tailor makes it. So I would always add one or two things to make it look unique. So today I'm going to teach you something, some different things, some simple things you can do to make you look unique in your dressing. Especially today one is corporate. But apart from this, I'll do the ones of native. That one would be taking you on this journey. Please shun that noise. But let's start with this. Sometimes if you aren't the type that like wearing black, I like wearing black. I can wear black and black. I can wear black shirts, black trousers, black shoes, black bag, black. I don't care. To me, it's a fashion. Yeah, I'm fair, and that black fits me. When it is all black, it gives me very nice feeling. So gone are the days when people think if I'm wearing black morning. But if it still happens like that in the village, your village, I don't know, I like black. But if you are the type that when you come out with black and people think, oh, why black, or you don't feel comfortable with it. Or what you want to wear from your house out is just everything black. And you like it, you want to wear it, you want to miss something, make it look unique, make it look different, add some colors to it. Not just the color, especially to make you look unique. Do this, alright, do this. It's just simple hair tie. This simple soft hair tie, just fold. Now let's do this one first. Look at it. Let me go for it. Just fold it like this. Okay? Hope you are getting it. Fold it like this. Like this. Then get this place. Get this place. This is what I just did. Alright? What I just did. Just get like this. But if you have something shorter than this, that will be better. This is bigger and it's big. It's big. Or I prefer something shorter but I don't have. So you can make do of the one you have. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, now what I just did, then come here. See, tie this thing together, not too much. Like this. Tie it like this. Look, let me come closer to the camera. See what I just did. See, I just tied this place. See it. So I just tie these two together. See, I put my hand. See my wristwatch. See where I put my hand here. Alright, see my wristwatch here? Just put the place I tied. So look at these two corners are still like this. So now I put my hand. See, I put my hand inside. Look at it. See my hand. Then I bring this edge. Look at it. I bring it, I cross it from this space, see it, and I bring up this. Look at this too. I bring them up like this. See, I just cross. I'm not tying it to. See, I cross again. I'm not tying it. I just do it the third time. Look at it. Here, so look at what I do. This place I tie is gonna come in between this. See, it is at the middle of these two. See, drag it as much as you can. Drag, drag, drag as much as you can. You see, it's gonna give you something rose. Look at it. It's not just anyhow rose. It's not anyhow rose. It looks like coal. Look at it. So just tie it at the back. Then you tie it at the back. I'll tell you how to do the back. Don't let it choke you. Lose it. Look at it. If you like, see, to give you 3 steps rose. This one, these two, these 3. If you like, spread it out. If you don't like, leave it as it comes. Okay? Leave it like this. You see this fashion? Look at it. You can now take it to the side. I like, if I'm wearing something like this, I like, unless you can wear a jacket on top of it, right? You can wear your black jacket on top of this. You can wear your black jacket on top of this. But because if I wear something armless like this is why I wear it. I take it by the side to give me small space at the front. Take it by the side. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the rose it gives you. But if you don't want it big, like I said, use something smaller. Use something smaller, a smaller head tie of such shape, or such square shape. Then you give it that triangular shape before you start. Is it triangle or rectangle? Rectangle, right? Then before you start, all right? So that is it, all right? If you want it smaller, use something smaller. But I love it the way it is. To me, it's more gorgeous because I'm wearing something simple, fitted, all right? So put it like this. If you want to wear a jacket on top of it, you can place it at the middle. Put on your jacket. Don't want to try that fashion. Now that's another thing. Like this. Then loosen it a little. So that back, like I said, you can use something short. But if it is something long like this, put it inside your clothes. It will not show. It is so light. So it will not give you any shape at the back. It will lap. Like you're wearing singlet inside. It will lap. It will just lap. It will lap. So look at it. Look at it. So are you seeing anything that like I put it inside? So it still looks okay. Alright, so that is just it. Say now, look at it. Now, you've even given combination. So now you can wear your, I should go back a little. You can wear your cream, but this has cream, burgundy and that's burgundy and green, light green. No, that's not light green. It's like army green. So now you can pick any color from here. Pick green, pick red, burgundy, then pick this army green. So this is my cream. Can wear cream shoe. You can wear a cream shoe. This, let me go back if you can see my shoe. Oh, let me bend this camera a little so you get it very well. So yeah, so this is my cream shoe. This is my cream shoe. You see it? So it's, you can wear cream shoe. That's my cream shoe. Is it? Then off you go. Carry any bag you like. You can carry black bag. You can carry cream bag. You can carry one bag. You can color, especially black. Like I said, black. I love it. All right, this cream shoe. You can actually wear black shoe on it. I have black shoe here, so it also fits. Now take it back a little. You see the fitting, true fitting of it with what I'm wearing down. All right. So you can wear black shoe. So anything black will fit it. Okay. So that's black shoe. Let me wear the second one. Okay, so you can wear your black shoe. You can wear, let me take my ring light back so that it doesn't, it's not my shoe. Anyway, it may not show. So we have black shoe, black shoes, cream shoes, anything you want. You see my fashion, how do you rate me? Rate your girl now. Rate me? Isn't it okay? Alright, that is it. That is just for this. And the other thing I want to teach you is, okay, let me drop my shoe so I can do it. Now, in case I'll lose it. So in case you've been to an occasion and you're wearing armless like what I'm putting on, and they are telling you that and you cannot come in, especially church. I went to one church and they said they can't come in, they don't wear something armless to that place. Alright, so what I did was I removed the head tie I was tying. That was actually native, so I took off the head tie. Just a straight cut head tie, just tied for fashion. So I removed this. Look at what I did. What I'm going to do now is, if you wear anything armless to a place, and it is like you can't come in if you aren't wearing something that has sleeves, all right? So you can just make this. These are things you can just design yourself. Do it yourself. Take off your head tie. Look at something like this. That same head tie. I just want to use this. It may not always be this, all right? I just take it off. Take it off. Do something like this. I fold it into two halves. If you like, fold again, or just gather it at the middle. Gather it at the middle. All right. Then cross it at your neck. This hair don't disturb me. All right. Put it at the neck here. Just watch what I'm doing. Look at it. All right. It's at your neck here. Are you seeing it? Let me come closer to the camera. Are you see what I'm doing? See. Take this. See. Put it here. Take it here. Okay. Right. Take this one here. All right. Good. So this is the first step you take. Make sure they are equal. Equal, right? Good. This is the first step you take. So what are you gonna do next? So this. So I thought my network was off. So that's where I'm coming from. So this, just spread it. Remember, you just folded it. Alright, just spread it. Spread the hand. Scatter it the way that these two can come together. Alright? Spread it. Spread this one as well, so that these two to come together. You can actually lift it this way, depending on what you are wearing. If you are wearing something native and you just want to use it to form something, just to make sure it has hand and you're allowed to come in, or you will fit in, or you want to look different, So you just put the hand inside, do what I just did. You can as well give it some gathers. Give it some gathers. Gather this place. Gather this place. Gather it yourself, or you folded it. So can you see the way it looks? You can wear your cream shoe, you can wear your black shoe. Now you see the burgundy color has come out very clearly. You can wear a burgundy shoe, carry your bag off you. Whoever saw you while you were going won't recognize you when you get there or while coming back, because now you look different. Look at this again. You see this hand that is like this? See, get it together. But one thing with this is you may need someone around to help you to tie it. You can't knot it. Brother, nothing. Yeah, you can't not tie it. I'll say you can't tie it yourself. I want to give this hand a different shape, so you can't do the tying yourself. You can imagine how it is. So if there is someone around, tell the person to tie it or use a small pin to do it. Otherwise, what I do, my own. Let me come closer. I'll carefully do this. I carefully do this. They are packing some drinks for us. So you're hearing wearing drinks there. So they deliver some drinks. They are packing. So say this. So, all right, so you just put it. That's what I do. It may not stay long, You see that. So if there is someone to help you tie, this is a different style of the hand. Aside making it flay, the gathered flay, you can just get these two hands together. If there is no one to help you to tie it or use pin on it, because you can't tie it yourself. Just gather it together, put it inside. It may not last long like this, but you use your breath. Can you see this? Check me out, guys. Check it out, guys. Look at the back. So it's not like it was not good. Check me out, guys. All right, check your girl out now. From the sleeveless to this. Look at it. Look at how unique my fashion looks now. Can you imagine this? Can you believe it? It was that harmless cloth I wore and just a head tie. So forget this one, you may be losing because of the fact that I did it myself. I was not, So tying or using pin. Look at this now. Look at this fashion. Can you compare this? So this is things you can do on your own at home. Do it yourself, look unique, look special, dress differently yourself at home. So I believe it must have answered many questions of, Lord, how do you do it? And this is the clothes we made, we all collected together yesterday. Why is it all looking this different? Did you work on it overnight? They just this. Let me do something, another style before I end this video. In case you want a long hand, alright, let me use something different. This one can't give you. Simply remove it. Alright, look at the way it was. Then look at that. Just a second. In case you want something different, something long, what I just did was a short hand. You want a long hand. See this. Yeah, see something like this. You can see how big it is. Okay. So you can use this yellow to, aside long hand. Sometimes when you have a wedding, they give you color combination. So we use pink, burgundy, we use yellow and black, we want peach, orange, I want burnt orange, this and that, all right? So, and you don't have it, I'm not going, I don't have the color, you will have it. We have black and yellow, something with touch of yellow, a touch of black. Go inside the house, get one, go and get another pieces of that color. Form your style and live. When you get there, you're gonna look unique. Look at this. Assuming I want to attend an occasion that needs yellow and black. Alright, and I don't have such combination. This is my black and this. So I just fold it into two. Hold it. Make it equal, alright? Make it equal. Just like what I just did. But like I said, if you want something with a long hand, not everybody likes that short handle. Hello, my deeper life people, my chosen people, how are you? So do you wear short hands? No. So you can do something like this. Alright, it's equal. What I just did, take it in there. What I just did, take it in there. Alright, guide this one again, take it in here. So remember, you can cross it. It has to cross to the strips of your bra. All right. So I wouldn't say where would I put my bra. So this is it, right? So look at what you're gonna do. First, spread it to cover your hand. Look at this, right? Look at this. Then still do this one that way. Look at this too. Look at that. Look at that. All right. If you want something like this, it now looks like you're wearing jacket. Look at it. It looks like you're wearing yellow jacket. How does it look like? Like you're wearing yellow jacket, right? So that is it. But aside this, you may not always want it this way. I was going to do something different. So now you can tie this. Bring this. Just tie it. Tie it to the style you want. If you want it flare, you want it tight, anyhow you want it, just tie it. Alright? Tie this. Tie it, take it inside. Get this and do the tying or nothing, whichever grammar. Tying or nothing, whichever grammar you want. There's it. Okay, I didn't knot this one very well. Hold on, please. I didn't knot this one very well. So I think that's why it's so just little like that one. Knot it this way. There's it. Have you seen it? Now you can wear your shoe. Now you have black and yellow. This is long. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. You have black and yellow. See the hand? You give it like a printed hand. See the way that look. Look at it. So this is something you can do yourself. I was not this way. I came this way and I formed this style. Does this video make sense to you? Please share, give me a thumb up, watch to the end and learn something. Share for others to learn from it. And please don't forget, if you can super thank your girl, join my membership if you can. Otherwise, just watch my video to a reasonable minute. I will appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. See you again on my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you.